Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. It is Eddie, back with another review, and today I'm reviewing the Jordan 4 Black Canvas. Let's start with the first impressions of the Jordan 4 Black Canvas. As soon as I took it out of the box, I was struck by how sleek and sophisticated it looked. The all black canvas upper gives it a really clean and minimalist look, while the black sole and black laces tie the whole shoe together. It's definitely a shoe that will look great with a wide range of outfits. Comfort and fit. Of course, the shoe isn't just about looks. It needs to be comfortable to wear. The Jordan 4 Black Canvas certainly does not disappoint in this regard. The canvas upper is breathable and lightweight, which makes it great options for everyday wear. The midsole is also very supportive and provides a lot of cushioning for your feet. In terms of fit, the Jordan 4 Black Canvas is true to size. It has a snug fit around the midfoot, which helps keep your feet in place while you're moving around. However, the toe box is roomy enough so that your toes don't feel cramped or squished. Durability. Another important factor to consider when buying a shoe is durability. I've been wearing the Jordan 4 Black Canvas for a few weeks now, and so far it's holding up really well. The canvas upper seems to be really sturdy and resistant to scuffs and scratches. The sole is also very durable and doesn't show any signs of wear and tear. Conclusion. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Jordan 4 Black Canvas. It's a really nice, stylish, and versatile shoe that offers a great combination with comfort and durability. Whether you're a fan of Jordans or just looking for a high quality sneaker, I think the Jordan 4 Black Canvas is definitely worth considering. I got these Jordan 4 Black Canvases from Pancake.ru and I used code Eddie for $15 off. This is a great way to just save some money on your shoes instead of having to pay retail or resale price. All the info will be on screen in the description, so go check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe or like, and yeah, peace.